Hey guys, welcome back to your channel. In this video, we'll explore the STLMap, an amazing tool for creating 3D maps of any place in the world, and learn step by step how to make stunning topographic maps with just a few clicks. Before proceeding, I'd be glad if you like and subscribe to the channel and support with super like or joining the membership. Thank you so much. Now let's get to the video. Alright, we need to first head to the STLMap website. I've prepared the link for you, just click the link in the description to go straight to the website. As you can see, this is the homepage of the website. Now to begin, we need to zoom in on an area to select the region or determine our area of interest. Okay, I randomly go to an area. Well, I think here is not bad. Now all I have to do is just click on the area to specify my area of interest. When the region was selected, two options pop up, which are View 3D Model and Download 3D Model. I click on the View 3D Model to see the result. As you can see, the 3D model of the area was displayed. But there is something wrong with that. The 3D model is flat. Let me tell you why. Well, since this area is near the sea and along a coast with minimal elevation, the 3D model doesn't show much height detail. In fact, we don't have much height here. So, for a better display, let's move to a mountainous area. Okay, I think here's good, and I click on that. And hit the View 3D Model. Alright, as you can see, this is the created output. But the thing is, it's not as accurate as I wanted. In other words, it lacks resolution. So let's solve it. I close the model, and to improve accuracy from the right lower box, I click on the model resolution and set it to the extreme to get the highest resolution possible. There you go. As you can see, the desired output was extracted well. If you compare it with the previous one, you'll notice the difference between the two. Well, it might be a question for you. What are the uses of such models? Well, the main uses of the STLMap model outputs are 3D printing of topographic maps, geographic education and research, spatial data analysis, artistic and decorative projects, environmental simulation, hobby and collection, and so many other uses. Alright, I can test it on other areas as well. Using the option available on the upper right side, we can change the base map. It had three base maps: satellite, street, and topographic. This one is a street. And this is topographic. We can also click on the name of the website creator on the lower left side, which is Jordan, and it redirects us to the creator's website. It has such interesting abstract designs. And there is some info about the website creator, which is not enough in my opinion. But this design is attractive. When you move your cursor, these colorful designs move. Alright, let's get back to the main website. On the right lower box, there is an Advanced Settings button. If I click on that, as you can see, it allows us to apply more advanced settings. For example, you can change the sea level modifier, or change the size modifier for 3D printer bed. And finally, the 3D model thickness can be increased or decreased. As I said at the beginning of the video, we can specify the accuracy from the model resolution section. And pay attention that choosing a better accuracy will increase the processing time. And finally, toggle tile creation mode, which relates to the box size. You can modify it on your own. And that's it for today's video. I hope you find this video helpful. You can ask your questions in the comment section, and don't forget to support us by subscribing and liking the video. Your interactions help us a lot. Thank you so much, and until next one, be safe.